Okay, so how to solve randomness from Python principles. Yeah, alright, let's delete all this. Start from scratch. So define a function. Okay, define a function, random number that takes no parameters. Right, leave that blank inside the parentheses. The function must generate a random integer between 1 and 100, both inclusive, and return it. Excuse me. Calling the function multiple times should usually return different numbers. For example, calling this excuse me again. Just a sorry. Sometimes might first return for two. Okay. So how do we do that? We can look at the hint. How to generate random numbers? You'll see that you have to import the random module. So we'll go ahead and do that. Import module. So for very beginners, in case I have to explain, import module named random. So what this is that like we sort of import like a it's like pulling this makes us this allow this is like pulling something out of the Python like library, and we're telling it, hey, we want to like use this particular set of languages to do certain things. So in this case, we want to pull a random number. So we're doing that by importing this random, which is an actual module in the Python language. So we've done this. We've defined a random number that takes no parameters. So how do we generate random integers? Well, we'd have to store it in a variable so then we can return it. So how do we do that? We give it a variable. We could do rn for random number equals. So we're gonna, and then we type random, like, hey, what do we want to use from random? So random dot random integer. So random number, random integer. So after that, we just return it. Return rn, and that should be our answer. Oops. Oh, sorry. We want to generate a number between 1 and 100. So just put 1 through 100 here. Good job.